with this no trust motion, can Jagdeep Dhankar be removed as the Rajya Sabha chair? Now, let's take a look at the numbers first, and I'll tell you why also these numbers matter. As far as the Rajya Sabha is concerned, you've got the NDA with a comfortable majority of 119, for a simple majority 116. The India bloc is at 20. At 85, I beg your pardon, 27 at others, a total of 231. Remember, out of that 85, keep in mind that 60 signatures have come for the no trust motion. Now, I'll quickly run you through the Lok Sabha numbers, and before that, also talk about a different scenario. If the others come out and actually support the no trust motion, which they haven't, they still reach 112. But even in that case, it wouldn't be enough for the India bloc, which is why we repeatedly said that this is symbolic and nothing more than that. Now, let's also talk about what is the process usually followed when a vice president is removed, when the Rajya Sabha chair is removed. First is a 14-day notice before the no trust motion. It doesn't meet this particular criteria, and I'll explain to you why. Second is that majority of MPs present in the Rajya Sabha need to back the move. I've just shown you the numbers. That's most definitely not the case. The move should also pass the Lok Sabha number test. So it's not just enough that Rajya Sabha you've got the majority. You need to also pass the same motion in the Lok Sabha too. And there obviously it's a challenge because of the numbers that are in favor of the NDA, much like the Rajya Sabha, but with a greater number. Now, here's why I said that this motion doesn't really hold ground, not just because of the numbers. Under the rules, a 14-day notice is necessary, as I mentioned. This current winter session comes to an end on December 20th. Yesterday, you had the no trust motion coming to the fore. So, clearly, they're not meeting the deadline of 14 days. This notice, therefore, will not be accepted. And the notice isn't valid till the next session. It needs to be within the session, within the 14-day period. And the reason for that particular move is to ensure there's adequate time to discuss the motion as well. Clearly not there in this particular case. So, essentially, the no trust motion fails on two counts. First, with regards to not having the support, just about 60 signatures. So it's more about sending across a message than actually about ensuring action. And secondly, the timing of the no trust motion being done within, in fact, just about 8 days before Parliament wraps up, before winter session wraps up. So clearly, again, that doesn't stand the test of 14 days either. So at this point, you've got, in fact, this war of words happening over the no trust motion, with the BJP also alleging that this is an attempt to target Jagdeep Dhankar, nothing more. And as we showed you, the Congress referring to him as the biggest disruptor and a BJP spokesperson who's sitting on the chairman's position. Now, besides that, what we also saw is a showdown again over George Soros. The BJP and Congress sparring over it inside and outside Parliament. Now, remember that Rahul Gandhi today came out and said that he wants BJP MP Nishikant Dubey's comments expunged. And this is because Dubey a few days ago in Lok Sabha had raised up this entire issue and then targeted the Gandhis, calling them traitors, targeted the Congress. It's that particular comment that Rahul Gandhi is seeking be expunged. Let's get you those details of what exactly Dubey said and Rahul Gandhi's reaction.
ओसीसीआरपी का क्या काम है? भारत की पार्लियामेंट को कैसे बंधक बनाना, कैसे नहीं चलने देना, कैसे सीए और आरसी पर, इसके साथ ह्यूमन राइट्स वॉच जो है, जो सोरेस कौन है सर? सोरेस पूरी दुनिया के इकोनॉमी को कैसे डिरेल करता है कि ओपन सोसाइटी फाउंडेशन के सलील सेट्टी जो भारत जोड़ो आंदोलन में गए, उनसे आपका क्या संबंध है? क्या भारत जोड़ो आंदोलन में उन्होंने पैसा दिया? इल्हान उमर, रोहित खन्ना और बारबारा अली, जिन्होंने की माननीय प्रधानमंत्री के कार्यक्रम का विरोध किया यूएस में, उसके साथ आपने मीटिंग की। जो खालिस्तान बनाना चाहता है, जो कश्मीर को अलग करना चाहता है, उसके साथ आपकी क्या संबंध है? इसी तरह से सोरोस ने पीएम मनमोहन सिंह के साथ मीटिंग की, पीएम मनमोहन सिंह के साथ मीटिंग की, पीके नेहरू की वाइफ के साथ उसके क्या संबंध है?
स्पीकर से मेरी मीटिंग हुई और मैंने उनको कहा कि देखिए, ये जो हमारी पार्टी कह रही है कि कमेंट्स थोड़ा ये जो कमेंट्स हैं, डेरोगेटरी कमेंट्स हैं मेरे बारे में, इनको एक्सपंज किया जाए। स्पीकर ने कहा कि वो इनको एग्जामिन करेंगे।